Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Akshay Ravi and I run marketing at YPay Cash. Next slide. Really quickly, our product is actually a prepaid retail payment platform, and that's our first product, which is YPay Cash. It's much cheaper than the POS, and also the second product is integrated within the shopping platform, which is known as Ziggle, which uses the QR code technology. Okay, now starting up a company, we found pain points and opportunities, thankfully. So the pain points for customers is the fact that cash availability isn't always around and they don't want to go to ATMs as such. And you see that not everyone can afford a card, and the ones that can, they always have a strain of memorizing a lot of PINs. And for merchants, not everyone can afford a POS, and not everyone has an internet. So we came into the process of providing Ziggle and YPay Cash. Now, YPay Cash actually provides about 90% of merchants who don't have the access to non-cash payment platforms in a much more cost-effective manner. Now, the unfair advantages that we see for us is that we're authorized by the RBI, and a really quick demo. Okay, so as you saw, it took literally 30 seconds to transfer money to a merchant and 30 seconds to buy something from our catalog or online. Now, we have utility payments and DTH recharge and mobile recharge and transfer to bank and P2P transfers. And sales and marketing, I think that there's a long story about which comes first, the chicken or the egg. So we actually went in and we had a phased production. We started with Tamil Nadu from south to north. And we are happy to say that we successfully have over 6,000 merchants, 1,000 portal websites, and over 100 utility payments on our service. And by doing so, we've also gotten quite a few number of customers, over 20,000 within Tamil Nadu, and now we've extended to Karnataka. Now, the competition, we are not going to be listing any of the actual competitors, but rather buckets of them. So the most known to everyone would be the telecom operator wallets. We provide retail payments and mobile shopping, and we're agnostic to the telecom operator, so whether it's Airtel or Vodafone, we work. But unfortunately, we are an app, so we're proud of that, but they have that advantage over us. And accordingly, we have paper voucher-based providers and utility-focused providers. Now, the business model, the revenue works on the fact that it's a free app, but then we get a percentage on P2P and P2B transactions and a margin for in-store payments and our Ziggle payments as well. And the forecast, we are a cost-centric model, so we see that for every merchant that we acquire, we have 35 times its customers, so that's the formula that we work out. And accordingly, we hope to see that within the next few years, where right now we see customers using about 1,000 rupees per month, they use about 2,200 per month. And the team, as you can see, yeah, so I think the future of money is within your mobile.